In the past, ancient mortgage lenders have mechanically rejected those that had declared personal bankruptcy. Several potential home buyers felt they have to wait a minimum of 7 to 10 years once a bankruptcy to be eligible to become householders. This can be a typical idea for several who believe their likelihood of home possession could be a good distance away. While some individuals declaring bankruptcy have had hassle managing their cash, an outsized range of these declaring have merely practiced unfortunate events. Australians' area unit filing bankruptcy at record high levels over the last 5 years, the increase in fuel worth and therefore the recent increase in interest rates will not facilitate either. Their area unit some ominous signs out there. Though a bankruptcy is definitely a blemish on a credit report, it doesn't essentially disqualify a receiver. Recognizing that generally dangerous things happen to smart individuals, some choose loan officers are getting additional willing to require a calculated risk. Some lenders use a securing system to work out whether or not potential consumers' area unit a worthy risk. Sadly, bankruptcy offers a coffee rating. However, choose lenders' area unit setting out to look on the far side the rating and appearance at the people in want. Instead of waiting 2 or 4 years once being discharged from bankruptcy, some mortgage professionals' area unit willing to offer a equity credit line a lot of sooner. People who have declared bankruptcy liquidation is also eligible for a loan 1 year once discharged, and people who area unit during a half-X debt agreement may even be ready to get a mortgage. Another common idea is that a previous bankruptcy on your credit report would force you to possess an outsized deposit and pay extraordinarily high interest rates. Their area unit presently programs on the market with as very little as 5% down with terribly enticing rates. Some lenders' area unit even pre-qualifying consumers for a loan, saving time and creating the home buying expertise easier and additional economical. Once a purchaser pre-qualifies, they're going to have the advantage of bigger negotiating power. No matter what matters, choose mortgage professionals have a program that may work for the client with a bankruptcy history. If a purchaser cannot get approved, their area unit custom plans which will re-establish credit to assist the client become mortgage ready, guaranteeing home ownership within the future. Because of new choices, bankruptcy now not must sub the means of obtaining an equity credit line. With the assistance of additional inventive lenders, people who have practiced monetary problem can have a better time obtaining a mortgage. To your in-progress monetary success, bankruptcy and shopping for a home, kinds of dangerous credit mortgage loans. Buying a home once a bankruptcy doesn't limit the categories of mortgage loans you'll be able to qualify for. If something, you have got additional loan choices with subprime lenders. However, before long your bankruptcy was resolved, you'll notice that you just pay higher rates and down payments to secure your home finance. Available dangerous credit home loans. In recent years, subprime lenders have returned up with variety of latest finance terms for home loans, therefore even with adverse credit, you'll be able to still get 100% finance or a 30-year mounted rate mortgage. Interest-solely loans and adjustable rate mortgages also are smart choices to extend your shopping for power. If you're wanting to secure finance over the standard worth caps, then subprime lenders may also give you giant loans. All loan terms area unit versatile, likewise as fees and conditions. Hurdles of a bankruptcy. Right, once a bankruptcy, your credit score would force you to place down a sizable deposit with lenders, typically around $500. However, once the primary year, you'll be able to cut back your deposit to simply $25. In 2 years, you'll be able to qualify for zero down and traditional rates. It is solely once the primary 2 years of a bankruptcy that your credit score are considerably affected. After that, finance firms cross-check alternative sides of your credit, like payment history, debt ratio, and employment outlook. Get a much better cope with a much better investor. Subprime lenders vie for your business by providing low rates and costs, whereas their area unit definitely some firms that may make the most of your credit state of affairs. You'll be able to shield yourself by being a sensible shopper. Start by researching variety of loan firms. Illicit loan quotes supported your credit and financial gain. Once staring at the April and fine print, you'll be able to create a choice on that real estate loan is true for you. You can additionally get pre-approved for your home finance. Not solely can it assist you within the home shopping for method, however it'll additionally provide you with a concept of your finance budget. With online lenders, you'll be able to complete your application in minutes and have funds on the market in as very little